My skin is getting worse. What should I do?
I think you should try a natural product such as lemon soap.
What is lemon soap?
Application of domestic sheet in manufacturing. We use lanolin as our main ingredient in manufacturing lanolin soap. What is actually lanolin? Lanolin is a natural oil comes from the sebaceous glands of sheep. It's extracted from the natural wool. Did you know that lanolin is a key ingredient in some of the world's most popular cosmetic and pharmaceutical? Why? This is because the composition of lanolin resembles the intercellular lipids of stratum corneum, which is our outer layer of epidermis. Lastly, lanolin also works as a superfetting agent to minimizing the hydrating effect of soap.
Moving on, we are going to discuss the advantages of lanolin soap. Firstly, lanolin soap is a natural resource that is moisturizing and hydrating the skin after washing. It helps in retain the moisture and also provide gentle but effective care. It's also very ideal for people that have dry skin problem. Not only that, lanolin soap also known to increase its fine persistent lather, which means that it will produce a rich and lasting foam that is very efficient to use in a long period of time. The other advantages of lanolin soap is that it improves its emulsifying properties, which allows it in mixing oil and water, helping in removing the dirt and impurities from our skin while still maintaining its natural oils. At the same time, lanolin soap also acts as emollient, meaning that it will allow us to smoothen and soften the skin. This is very helpful for people that have sensitive skin like eczema problems and other irritations like rashes. Last but not least, the advantages of lanolin soap is that it is non-comedogenic. What is actually non-comedogenic? Non-comedogenic means that it doesn't clog pores. So, it is pretty well said that it is suitable for all skin type and safe as it will protect our skin barrier.
Let's continue with the procedures on how lanolin soap is made. As shown on the slide, these are the equipments and ingredients needed. Now, on to the steps. First, set up a workbench and measure all the ingredients needed. Ensure the silicone mold is placed onto the tray so you can tap the mold firmly on the bench during pouring. Secondly, add lye to the distilled water. Whilst waiting for it to cool, combine all the fixed oils. Gently heat until all oils are liquid. Pour the cooled lye water into the melted oils. By using a stick blender, mix the mixture until it becomes a light trace. Add in sodium lactate plus. Next, mix the titanium dioxide in a teaspoon of oil. Set it aside alongside the pumice and steel-cut oats. Divide the trace into 2 even portions in separate jugs. To one of the jugs, add steel-cut oats and also half of the energy fragrance. Stir the trace thoroughly using a balloon whisk. This will bring the soap to a nice medium trace. Then, pour the soap mixture into the mold cavities. Tap the mold firmly onto the workbench to even out the surface and remove any trapped air bubbles. Next, sprinkle the surface of the soaps with a thin layer of ground pumice. To finish filling the mold, add in the titanium dioxide and the remainder of the fragrance to the second jug. Finally, insulate and cover to gel phase, and when unmolded, brush with the mica for a golden finish. Thank you for listening.
In conclusion, we can say that lanolin has been used for thousands of years in various cultures, and there's no doubt that we can use it for many more products, including the cosmetic and ointment treatments. Thus, lanolin will continue to be used in new and creative ways as an important ingredient for the future.
That's all from us.
Thank you.